everyone, it's Professor Halsey. Welcome to CEIS106, Introduction to Operating Systems. This is week 5. Okay, in Module 5, we're starting to look at Linux shell scripts and security. So here we're looking at the VI editor. We're going to get into using different types of editors and creating scripts and studying basic security in our files. And then here our activities are going to be looking at adding a text file using our VI editor. Activity 2 is creating advanced scripts. We'll be doing a lot more scripting. That's what's going to make you a really great employee. And managing users and groups. So how to add new users, more practice with that, and adding groups. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to go to the top of modules and look for the huddle schedule and jump in with any of the professors throughout the week at your convenience. If none of those times work for you, make sure and look in the syllabus, and you can email me and let me know what time works for you. Thank you and have a great week 5.